You want to start a tea business, but you're not sure where to start. There's a lot of misinformation out there online about the right corporation, how to structure your business so that you can stay in compliance. Well, that's great and all, but the bottom line is money. And I'm going to show you how to make money selling tea, step-by-step process in this video. You have to have a plan. A lot of people don't put together a plan. They watch video after video, and if this is you, pay attention, but they never write down how to execute what they want to do. Or if they do, they don't actually move forward with it. You write it down, you share it with your friends, your family, people who are going to call you out if it's been like a few months and you still haven't pulled the trigger. Because when it comes to business, there's one thing that you always want more of, and it's not money, it's time. Time is the most expensive, and if you write a plan, you're going to appreciate it because it's going to save you time and energy. So you got your business plan, you shared it with people, you got the feedback, and now you're ready to pull the trigger. Guess what? You're still not ready. You need to make sure that you counted the finances. The most important part of your business plan is actually going to be the financial aspect of it. You're going to know who your customer is, how much you're going to pay for it. This is specifically in tea. You will want to find a person or a company who can help you pick the right teas. All right, now you're going to start making sales. Sales is the solution to virtually all business problems. Intellectually, that's not actually accurate, but sales solves a lot of problems. If you need to make your sales, you have to understand what type of tea you're selling. Are you selling holistic wellness teas, also known as functional teas? Are you selling super niche Asian, Chinese, Indian teas? Zen's Tea House, we have more the health and wellness, but we also have a section called wholesale where we service a lot of different companies, breweries, bakeries, other tea shops. We do private labeling and drop shipping. We know what works and what doesn't simply because we've done it a lot. And if you want to get your business to the next level, it has to be through sales. Just to get started, you got to make sales. Start selling to your friends and family, have a tea party, and get going. So you're making sales. Now you're learning that not every tea sells as well as the other. Diversity in your teas is important. Depending on if you're selling online, you might want to have 3 to 5. I personally found that less is more because you don't want to be stuck with a bunch of tea that you can't sell. $100 in tea could be spent on something else if that $100 of tea isn't selling. People want to spend money on ads, they want to use influencers. When you find the right tea to sell, then you will know how well it sells because it's so easy to promote. It's often because it's your favorite or you found the right type of crowd looking for this product. Keeping up with the demand is not easy in the tea industry because you can't just copy and paste. Tech companies, you can do that, but tea, it can often take a long time to get tea here for your business. Now, it's important when you're establishing your business to have good relationships with your wholesalers. This could be the tea company that you buy tea from. It could be the people who you buy your packaging from. It could be the marketing company that you use to acquire new customers. Whatever wholesalers or third parties you use to help grow your business, you need to make sure you have over communication of expectations. It's often a good practice to let them know what you're doing before you start because they can help prepare, whether it's shipping costs, time, or just know that you have a peace of mind that a person in the industry is helping you to navigate this complexity called entrepreneurialism. That's a basic summary. Business is not that complicated. You want to have a plan. You want to review it with other people. You want to make sure that you check the finances and you start making sales. Once you have your sales done, now it's retaining customers, keeping that customer relation. Zen's Tea House loves people who are educated. Some people don't want to know anything about tea. That's fine. Zen's Tea House offers good quality tea, but our real customers are people who like learning the educational aspect behind tea. We have tons of information. I have a PDF form right there. If you want to download a free PDF for business or if you want to learn about holistic health education, Zen's Tea House offers both online, and we know that when people are reading and they're investing, even watching the videos, liking, clicking, and sharing with others, now you're establishing a brand, and that is a whole other subject.